Hey guys, this is GoJM and welcome to my channel. Hirap tayo kayo M6 10 seconds. Alright, let's go. Terminal City Run.
O naman, meron.
Ayan talaga, partner.
Ayan, oo. Fresh na fresh. My name is Kid Manila. I'm one of your resident hosts of MNL City Run. So, it's always nice to see you guys here. And of course, my partner.
My name is Vic Gomez. I'm also a resident. Our UP Engineering Student Loan Program. So, with this program, we're able to help out our UP Engineering students with their daily expenses. Malaking bagay po yan dahil ako mismo magsasabi sa inyo, mahirap po mag-aral.
Future engineers and actively doing our part in nation building. Enjoy the run, stay safe. Let us all have a great morning. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Okay, now on my count, everyone, hamstring scoops in 3, in 2, in 1. Dig down and lift high, everyone. There you go, good. So reach down for your feet. And then
runners.
Thank you so much, Coach Ron. Okay. Okay, runners, in case you bring your PR, don't forget to use the hashtag RateMyPR. We have our PR bell over there. Now I can see.
iPhone 17, 1 terabyte, fully paid. Buti na lang po yung nakuha namin.
Good luck! Alright, 10K runners, you have about...
Kailan kami ng gun start dito sa gun start. Ayan. Oh, gun start. Mga bangis.
Boulder, ang iba sa atin. Masaya po, masaya yan. Welcome to UP. Enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
Let's go runners! No, someone. Go! Let's go Pacers!
Let's go!
Let's go! Ayun na, gun start ng 10 km. Balik tayo sa
okay, no need to rush to this exercise. We're trying to wake up your legs. We're trying to wake up your body. Getting you
Warm up. Ano ka mag-warm up?
Okay? So sit down and up. Eyes up, inhale and exhale. Very good.
5 km warm up.
Now on my count, this morning, let's go. 8 seconds to go, everyone. 8 seconds. Let's go. Hands up, hands up. In 4, in 3, in 2. Step to the front.
Shani Pangilinan ng MNL City Run.
Si Ruel.
Now 5K runners, you may now go ahead and proceed to the starting line
5K.
because we have
Gun start.
5
Let's
minutes
go.
before your official gun start.
5K runners, thank you for joining us. If you were
Ayan,
disappointed,
social media team
don't
naman.
worry. We got one.
Para kasama naman kayo sa atin dyan.
2, 1.
Tabi na Jerome, tabi na. Tumabi ka na Jerome. Tama ito yung video. Ano? Let's go Pitbar. Let's go. Good morning. Let's go, runners! Yan pala. Barefoot. Baka barefoot, di ba yan? Hello, good morning! Good morning! Ayan! Let's go! UP Fight Run. Ayan guys, meron lang nanalo. 10 kilometer. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Ayun. Pero congrats, idol ako. Congrats, congrats. Congrats. Yeah, finish. Siyempre, datay sa finish line. Meron ng winner. Congrats sa nanalo. Awesome. Yan ang social media team lang. MNLC Tira. Hi! Post kagad. No, napakasipag nila mag-post. Post kagad.
Fine, nice and gently. All right, there you go. So don't worry, everyone. Our job here is to let you one activation exercise. There you go. It's like you're reaching out for the floor and you're aiming for the sky. Yeah. Let's go, kids. All right. Let's go.
Ayan na. Send off na 3 kilometers. Maya maya. Tapakan natin yung 1 kilometer. Petran. Let's go. Ayan, dogs. Ayan, that's the 1 kilometer. Ito rin yung PRBL, personal record. So ring the bell when you beat your personal record. Isa sa maganda sa Race Village, yan, meron tayong iba't ibang mga sponsors. May mga food sila dito. Yan, tuhog ay, tuhog. King Press. Yan, Pro Life. And then we have Astrotel at saka ayan, Sogo. Pinatagahin yan. Yeah, thank you. Wow, nice. Better plan. Hi. Flippscape. Ayan, you feed the race. The mini. Ayan. Pagpagod tayo mag-ready. Ready to drink. have Empress. Ayan. Ayan, alcohol. Ay, high five. Iyan, no? Thank you. Ayan, dami nakapila. Sa Salon Pass. Ayan, no? Ayan, Salon Pass. Face prayer sila. Tapos ito. Last but not least. Aliko. Ayan. Hello. Hi. Ayan, diabetasol. At syempre, ayan, Kit Bar.
3 tries, red or green or blue tie.
Yan na guys. Dami. Kasi dito, dami nila. Sakay pumesto si Jerome. Ayun, pumesto si Jerome. Maganda rito, meron tayo hot snacks na yan, Lugaw, Pilipinas. So, feeling mo kaya? Kaya dyan? Okay. Ha? Thank you. Discount box, discount. Birch tree. Wait ha, ikaw kaya birch tree baka naman ha. 1, 2, 3. Birch tree baka naman! Dami nilang karton. Ito guys, si Madam, photography.
Hi, shout out Go JM. Thank you so much.
Shoutout mo yung page mo ulit, ano page mo?
Shoutout sa page ko, Dragon Photo.
Ay, Ragon, Pambricolano Runners. Ragon talaga.
Pambricolano Runners.
Yo. At si Gerald, pagod na doon. Pagod na yarn.
Pangit!
Grabe.
Sana magtuloy.
Anong breed yan?
Belgian Malinois. Next year, meron kami ulit.
Grabe, tangkad. Sige, banat. Aray ko.
Apat ganyan namin.
Sana po ay yaya pa kayo na mag-imbita pa kayo ng inyong mga kaibigan.
Very good. Belgian man. Layaso.
Imbitahan dito.
But most importantly, to our runners, thank you so much for joining us to the second part of UP Fight Run. Once again, my name is Tin Padilla. It's an honor to be your host as always, and I'm looking forward to see you guys again. So, magandang Sunday po. Go ahead, Mix.
My name is Nick Gomez and thank you guys. Sir Noel Cruz.
Yun, no?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Happy Sunday po.
Happy Sunday guys.
Ayun nga, tapos na guys. Shout out to all runners. Last picture daw tayo. Yeah. Dalawang buwan na lang, ilalabas sa 18 eh. Ayun pala oh. Okay na yan eh. Picture. Ayan na.
Hi!
Ikaw pala yun? Oo, ako si Gabi. Hi. Ha? Ano? Oo nga, almusal nga. Guys, almusal na tayo. Go JM. Out Ultra. Ayan. Hawak mo ang jeep. Ayan, tapos na yung ating pag-cover. So, congrats again sa MNL cover. Ano? Plastic cover.
Plastic cover.
Plastic cover. Ayan. May LS na naman ako sa baby dolls.
Yun, tuhog.
Hi, Fritzy.
Hello! Congratulations to all the finishers of UP Fight Run 2026. See you soon!
Ating brother si Ruel.
Hi, good morning, Eminal City Runners.
So, kamusta naman yung
Okay
nakakapagod pero worth it, masaya. Daming runners na nag-enjoy. Sulit. Thank you for the support.
Yes. Awesome. Thank you, Roel. Hi, we're here at UP Diliman, Quezon City. At kami kumakain ng tuhog. Bakit kaya tuhog? Kasi nga,
Sir JM, sir,
ay,
salamat.
ano po? Ayan. Sige po, thank you po. Ayan, yun yung core members ng MNL City na vlog ko. And then, ayun, mga nakuha namin sa loot bag, meron tayong Kojic Ultra White. And then, meron tayong Birch Tree. It's everybody's milk. Meron din tayong mga, ano to? Astrotel na 325.
Wow!
And meron tayong Immuni. Ay, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Meron tayong, ayan. Ito pa yung pinaka-favorite ko. Pride Pass, diba? Dahil nga Pride Month daw. So good. So good. Anyway, shout out kay Bro Roel and kay Kuya Richie. Ayan. Congrats sa inyo at sa lahat ng management and staff of MNL City Runners. And so subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, GoJM. Awesome. Kay Jerome. Awesome. Lumang version.
Since you enjoyed watching my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, GoJM. Awesome!